lights.
Come here, Dylan. Wow.
Yeah.
You happy?
How about you?
Say hi to your followers.
Are you happy? Say hi, guys. Say hi to the
Hi.
say
Dylan
hi,
is in
guys.
swimming pool.
Say hi, guys.
Hmm? Ligo na isa. Hmm. Come over here. Come over here.
You come again another day. You smile to Tati. You smile to Tati first. Then I'll smile. Smile. Look at Tati. And then I will allow you to go there. Smile. Look at Tati. Look at Tati. Show Ate cute face. Cute face. Show Ate cute face. Cute. I will not.
Cute face lang siya.
Show Tati cute face. Look at Tati. Look at Tati.
Look at Tati.
Smile. Ay, you go home.
Look at Tati. Look at Tati.
Look at Smile. Smile to camera.
Look at Tati.
Smile. Kana. Smile.
Very. Mana?
Nagpatungan sa cellphone. Asa mo tayo patungan? Uy, patungan na sa cellphone, mahal.
Daw mo gayto pang ligo, ako nag-prepare.
Yes, a blue white.
Stop.
Ulo, si Dylan po.
Pwede ni mo eh. Mama sa Andi Android. Oh, no. Okay, Mama sa swim. Here we go.
Mama is swimming. Dylan swimming also.
Mama,
Papa?
Yeah. Twist.
Chris?
White and this one white. You remember?
You remember? Where's you remember?
Squad.
No, Mama is swimming there, over there. Mama is swimming. No, don't come there.
Ha? Fish mo.
Kapag ligo na dahil.
Fish mo.
Para masulit ito diri. Mahal naman ni. Oh, Hana Resort. Kuno.
Nice mo na rin.
Naman diri po nakitaw diri. Pila day ka ba ko daw ang tao? Nindot na.
Oh, gani. Agad to dahil mag-naligo.
Asa?
There's a blue.
There's a blue white.
Yeah.
What's
Are you
that?
happy? Are you happy? You swimming in the swimming pool?
Yes.
Because when Papa go back to work, Dylan
Batay ng bata kay mukuha ng kalit. Mulubog ra ba ng kalit ganyan? Nalubog ka tali.
Dylan, you need to be careful. Yeah, you stand up, not don't drown yourself.
Careful, Dion.
Careful, okay?
Yeah, careful, Dylan. Are you happy? You like this place? It's nice.